My name is Paulina Adi, the Director for the Women in Agricultural Development Directorate of the Ministry of Food and Agriculture. And for WIAD, we have a mandate to promote nutrition-sensitive agriculture, and we are very much interested in the consumption part, so to ensure we eat for optimum nutrition. And then we have value addition to agricultural produce, where we emphasize diversity, preservation, and what it takes to make foods shelf stable to reduce the post-harvest losses. WIAD has handled cashew for quite some time, and we are very happy we are collaborating with GIZ, ComCashew, and even OLAM to take it further.
Thank you all for availing yourselves for this training. I wish us all an impactful learning journey this week. Thank you.
We are not able to see the value in the cashew. So OLAM, as a responsibly growing company, have seen the need that through some of these initiatives, we can be able to help our communities understand the difference, the values in the cashew that we do. So that when we also start consuming it, if foreigners, India and those people say demand is not high, we ourselves, we can locally produce and consume the cashew.
Manager said no more friends say may program way. Na me pese me nya botaye bi firi mu se ne ma ye baya o mo kyerɛkyerɛ ye nyina me nya nwu ya meti ase metumi anya bibi afiri mu e de aboa me ma ne me ma nana ma ye da so a ye ti ase
me ye semira moringa soup ye de moringa pop bo fre ne amango e ye semira e na ye san e de bi ye kyerɛ amanfo nso Emma sebe ya ibenya yensa no adwuma kakra nso yentimi ye trainer na nne nyame aye madoma maba program a etisei timi da radio asese san besua ade foforo nso asan aka ho enne dwumadi be me yasua ne ma bebre afiri ma yenso yebetimi de aboa foforo sebe ya ibenya sika de aboa efie ene ye ahwe ye mba nso na edi bi nso aboa ye kununum afen nso yebetimi asan ye dooso pa nti yebetimi akọ sabi village sono na yakwa akokyerɛkyerɛ kwan ye befa so a ye de cashew abano so ebe ye adwuma e maka abano enye ensei kwa
na ye mani bebre se company bia ese bebo ma akuafo ewo mpatamu ha na on be kyerɛ cashew se na ye de cashew bedi adwuma bebre ama ye nya mfaso bebre afirimu se ya ebedi bi aye drink tofe ena nema bebre aduane
sa program na ye de abai mi besua se ate na twam a metimi bia ya aduma na manya sika no wo mma me de ahwe me mma tie ye manije bebre se mi besua sa program ya ye de abai.
Hi, my name is Leila. I'm here 1 week from the training. And the women have this experience together to cook the specialty meat, the juice, on food, barbecue, hamburgers, all vegetarians.
We really are grateful to the resource persons for availing all those recipes which have gone down so well with our women. So we will incorporate some of the apples into our traditional foods. They fared well during the training when they were tried, and we think we can move it further.